Nobody
Sorry.
replied to EM's
What is that
tweets.
fucking? Oh my god. Oh my...
If they can't give us shots, we can't reply.
Show me 1019 with evidence.
You need Ali. Nathan, you need Ali. We have.
And I'm just 1019 at the moment for the evidence.
Same.
So that was fast actually.
I almost reached.
Why not? You can have some.
You
Wait,
said
I'm
I'm
giving
king.
you.
I have
FPS drop.
Guys, drive slow on the HQ, man. If you guys ram me, the evidence is invalid.
I think we should split.
Morning pineapple.
Good morning, pineapple.
Berlin, you remember? This is the same group where we
Who is saying Berlin? You remember this is the same
There.
route like the US.
Yeah, we will arrest them.
we three of me, you and Daryl there on the top room.
Do they have a hostage?
No hostage.
No, they
demands
don't
are
have any
given.
hostages. They don't have any hostages.
They don't have a
The
hostage.
demands have been given. The demand has been given. Don't worry.
Arpa, how much rev ammo you got?
Guys, come to the store.
I got
first,
44
please.
right now. Someone give me
How much?
44. Oh, one son.
I got 25. I might need it.
How many are they in number?
Equal.
Thank you. 10 to 17, I think.
10.
Let's take the location.
It's the fucking green gun.
10 versus 11.
Green gun.
Bro, why are you using this shit?
What?
Hmm?
Yep. Oh.
Nothing.
Okay,
Yeah, welcome.
from big group.
Up here. Damn.
You wanna go with
SHP, move your car.
Oh my.
just wait.
It can be blast any second.
Guys, humans have given more.
Just to restart.
I want each and every single unit at this robbery right now. Who's at the edge? Didn't come? Get ready for the strike.
Dark and if it's battling, stay with me.
Oi. What the hell, man?
Private, fly a drone. I want to fly a drone.
He on Gov side. Nice one.
Ah, easy go, easy
Bro,
go.
what is this, bro?
Got it right. You got it right.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
I
got
clapped
it. Easy
You,
go.
you'll be fine.
Just do it.
Just need to.
It's
You take
Harvey
my whole
now.
army.
Damn.
Man.
Thanks.
When we are into
They all are on the fucking roofs.
I need 4 members in my car. Who is good?
I think
Nathan, let's
our
enter.
units go from back side.
Nathan, let's enter.
You sure we have enough units?
Yes, bro, we can fuck them easily. They are like
Anyone
18,
have
19,
extra
I
armor,
count.
guys?
SSP, come
Nathan,
with me. Come with me.
sit.
Guys, anyone?
Sit, Nathan.
Okay, let's enter, guys. Everybody enter.
Back. I'm pushing from the back, okay?
Everybody enter.
I think he won't have...
Everybody enter.
Enter. Everyone enter.
We have worked for the back, from the back.
Nah, I'm just going to take armor.
Bro, what the fuck?
Go ahead.
Guys, we need more units. Why so less units?
This store doesn't have supplies, guys. Anyone got extra?
I put one armor in the Sultan, but I don't know where it is gone.
Okay, leave it.
Bro, sir, one guy is using juice in store. What? 50-50?
Units come from behind. Yes, go up from the roof. Hurry up on the ladder. Hurry up on the ladder. It's only
This guy's
2-3
not
people
dying. One
up
down
at the
on the
top.
backside.
The big roof it's many, but on the small roof no one.
Pushing from the backside. Okay.
One more down.
Hey, get ready, guys. Get ready.
Subhash, you said push from back.
Bunny! Hurry up, we're gonna take them, Bunny. We're gonna take them.
How? See how many
Okay, come. Follow me, Amon.
Let's push from the back. We can do this. Push from the back. Just push from the back.
Roof is clear. Small roof is clear.
What? Don't shoot back. We're not in the...
One more down. I'm going to down. I'm gonna be down. Guys, can you please push from the backside because we are
Yeah,
only
we are
3
pushing.
units.
We are pushing. We almost got it. Anyone have extra rev ammo?
Let's go.
Boom! Easy got. From where?
I think easy is close. Easy boys.
Okay, sir, I'm
GG boys,
cuffing you.
GG.
And comes to secure your item, illegal item.
Okay,
Two stores, guys.
okay, sir, I'm patching you up. Okay, sir, I'm patching you up. You will be alright. I'm an FIB officer.
Do I clap 6?
You will be alright. Nothing to worry. Giving some treatment. Yeah, okay. Okay, sir, I'm searching you for any illegal items.
See ya, see ya, see ya, see
We
ya,
need
see ya,
heli
see ya.
on roof.
See ya, swimmer months.
Okay, you don't have any illegal
Hello,
items.
see ya.
Guys, do we have space?
Okay, sir,
Yes,
I'm
you're
gonna
ready,
tag you
please.
by
Yes,
my
you're
arms.
ready,
Give me my arms.
Anything is illegal and then will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot
Let's see
afford
now.
one,
See
one will
ya.
be appointed to you by the state. If
I just head of division. See ya, what division are you in? What division are you
Can you
in?
please go down?
once again.
Can you please go down? Can you please go down?
Okay. Can you please explain me
Okay,
why you
sir.
just give me a bad,
Okay,
very
sir,
bad
I'm
experience
gonna-
here? You kill me, like make me
Okay,
unconscious.
sir, I'm gonna undrag you and I'm gonna uncuff you.
Yeah, you
Please go
right
and
over
get down
there.
from your ladder. Okay, sir, I'm undragging you.
We can talk with like later.
Okay,
sir,
sir,
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
do patching
uncuff
up,
you.
giving you medical attention.
Please
you're
go.
feeling all right,
Please go
okay?
down.
All right.
You need our Cooper.
You have a
When you get up, I'm going to be grabbing you by my arm.
Some medical insurance acceptable. You will pay all right.
Oh my god.
Hi. Bunny.
Ah,
He
I
got a
got sir.
code.
He got.
Guys, what's happening at the roof?
listen to
Sir,
me.
sir, can you patch him? Can patch this?
Can I get a heli on the
Patch-
roof? Can I get a heli in the roof?
Patch this.
Land the heli on the roof, guys.
Hey, hello. Patch him.
Okay,
patch
sir,
him.
I'm patching you up. You will be alright. Nothing to worry.
Okay,
Ah.
so I'm gonna cuff you.
1 second.
Easy boys, easy slow.
Okay. Ah, shit.
I'm gonna patch you, sir.
Guys,
You
is
are
any-
fine. Just wait a moment. I'm patching you, sir. You are fine.
1019 with
Yes,
2
sir.
additions.
Take
Dragging
Your
my
name
arms.
is
Anybody
Very, very
My
good.
arms. Follow me, sir.
Okay, sir, I'm gonna tag you by my arms.
in such a case.
Easy go.
Nathan, come behind.
Easy go. Easy match rule break.
Okay, sir, I'm putting you in the helicopter.
Guys,
Ah,
get a heli on the
Faither.
roof.
Hey, hello, officer. Can you please go down? Okay, sir. I'm gonna undrag you and I'm gonna uncuff you. Please get down from the ladder. Okay. Okay, sir. I'm gonna undrag you. I'm gonna uncuff you. Please go down.
Okay,
Please
I'm
go
going
down.
to search you for any
Use the
illegal
ladder and go down.
items. Guys, do
Go.
we have a heli?
Sir, no.
No, wait,
Guys,
no
please
corrupt.
bring heli. Please bring heli, please. Bring a heli. We have 2 10-15s in the roof.
Hello.
It needs our Cooper.
Where are you?
Sir, I'm patching you up. You will be alright. Nothing to worry. Giving some treatment for you. You'll be alright. Nothing to
What
worry.
someone? There is a crime.
I'm an
scene.
FIB officer.
it's over.
What over?
Guys,
There you
can
go.
I get
There
a
is
heli
over.
in the
We are
roof?
Fixing, removing bullets, everything. Yeah,
Sir,
there you go.
Which my knees hurt, sir. I fell
Radio
down
check.
from upstairs there.
Okay, sir.
Can I
Okay,
get
sir.
a
I'm gonna
fucking
drag you by
sir.
my arms.
I'm processing at 10:15. I can't think.
Berlin, can you please bring one car?
Hey officer, my knees hurt. Please go slower.
Okay, sir. I'm sorry.
Sir, ouch, ouch.
No, Nathan. Nathan, you're not.
Sir, why didn't you help me? I fell down from there.
I'm sorry, sir. I don't know. I just said to use the ladders, right?
Sir, what is this, sir? I won't do anything, okay?
I'm sorry.
I won't do anything.
Guys, I want one car.
Car. Sport car. 4-seater car. Jubilant.
2-seater is enough. Berlin, can you please bring one car? I have one 10-15.
Coming up.
Sir, actually your charges are attempt to murder and Leo and armor
I
store
did not
robbery.
attempt to murder. I did not attempt to murder. I was like in the last player there. Your officer killed me outside the perimeter.
Okay,
and
sir.
easy go for that.
Okay, sir, please watch your head. I'm putting you in the vehicle.
LSPD in the gov side. Bye bye.
LSPD. I'm an FIB, sir. I'm sorry for that.
Heli, they will. Okay.
Whoever shot me, that will be seen in the video.
Green gang member. What do we need?
Either way, see you on the gov side.
Need a vehicle.
Me?
The car is out of time.
No, 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 not you, sir. Who shot
I'm
me?
dropping the 9mm com.
There is a black and red
Okay, sir.
Bugatti
I'm
with a
reading.
gun. The driver
Am
has
I
a
audible,
gun.
right? Hello. Am I audible, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. Okay. So,
By the way, you are an awesome cop.
thank you for that. Thank you for your compliment. Just, I'm reading your Miranda rights. You have right to remain
Okay,
silent.
okay.
Anything you say will be used
What do you
against
mean
you
by
in the court
Miranda?
of.
That drink?
Sir, please let me complete, sir. Please.
Any person at that
Sir, what do you mean by Miranda? Are you going to explain to me or something?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm.
Shana Baba copy.
Oh fuck.
We have to just get to level.
Bunny Royal, can you come near me?
Bye bye, Nathan.
Is that the dead body walking?
Bad dreams.
Berlin, do you have any car?